how do we detect false shark fins? So when you look at this previous example, price has come down and it's going to present maybe another shark fin. How do we know that that shark fin is a reversal shark fin? And so there's ways to detect false shark fins. When you look at price, here we have a trend line. Price has been pushing up off of this trend line. You can see our trade ideas here. We took a trade. We'll show you why we took this trade. And price pushed up. This happened, last week. This is what I was in, Chef JPY. Price came back down to that trend line and pushed up. Came back down to the trend line, pushed up. Now it's coming back down to this aggressive trend line. And so we're thinking that it may push up, but how do we know that the shark fin is going to work? Well, one indication of a fake shark fin is the Bollinger Band. When the Bollinger Band goes wide, when the Bollinger Band opens up and the RSI doesn't break the Bollinger Band and the Bollinger Band stays on top, that's a signal to us that that shark fin is not going to work out. So even though it's below the 25, it has not broken that bottom band. That's a fake shark fin. Or we call it an ugly shark fin. So it's not a straight down movement, a straight like here. Over here, it's a straight up movement. It's broken the band cleanly and then closed. That's a shark fin. So you see the sell off here, right? So that's a shark fin. That's what the way a shark fin is supposed to look. But when you see this jaggedness of it just bleeding off and the bands open up below it, that's a fake shark fin. So you'll see that often, like here. The band, the top band has opened up above the RSI. It's opened up above the RSI, and that's right here. That's a fake shark fin. That price is still going to continue higher. And you know this is a fake shark fin because the way the band has opened up and pointed up. Here, the band went flat. It didn't open up with the price, it went flat. And so that's a shark fin. But when the bands start pointing up and opens up above the RSI, that's a fake shark fin, right? So when price comes down here, we know that this is a fake shark fin. All right. So we look for that. Look for those Bollinger Bands to open up wide and above the RSI. Whenever you see that, say, okay, that's a fake shark fin. It's an ugly shark fin. I'm not taking that. Everybody grasp that?
Yes, that makes sense.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yep, got it.
Makes sense.
Perfect. All right, let me show you another indicator that it's a fake shark fin. So on this, I think this is the same example. Yeah, it is. So here, I'm on the 1 hour chart, and I see this ugly shark fin here. So usually when I see an ugly shark fin, that alone isn't enough to say that it's a fake shark fin. The second and last confirmation that this is a fake shark fin is when I go down to a lower time frame. So here's the hour chart. If I go down to the 15-minute chart, what you're going to see, I can go down to the 30-minute or the 15-minute, just go down a couple time frames lower. And what you'll see on the TDI is you'll see the RSI ranging below the 50 and above the 25. It'll just keep ranging there. That range tells us that we're in a heavy downtrend and that price is going to continue to fall and the sideways consolidation of the TDI gives it the momentum to continue to fall. So you'll see on the lower time frame, you'll see that price ranging. If it was a fake shark fin to the upside, you'll see the TDI above the 50 and below the 75, and it'll be ranging on the upper half of the TDI on the lower time frame, given the price the ability to continue to go up. Right? If you combine those two confirmations, the ugly shark fin, the Bollinger Bands are open, and then go down a couple time frames lower and see the ranging RSI, that's confirmation that the shark fin will not work out. And so shark fins are powerful, but you also need to know when they're false. And with that combination, you'll be very accurate about selecting your entries.